Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mike, aka North Established, and today we're going to be doing another street photography POV, and this is going to be in the snow. Well, it's not really like icy snowy, but it was coming down, and it looked very beautiful, very aesthetic, and we got a lot of great shots in today's video. And actually, this is not just one part video. This is actually, I believe, 3 or 4 parts. I was actually out recording all day long during the snowfall, and the footage was too large to make it into just one video. I mean, I could make it into one video, but where's the fun in that? So what I did was I broke it into 4 parts, and yeah, it's gonna be nothing but snow. But before we get into the video, guys, give you a favor, can you please hit that like button down for me for the YouTube algorithm, as well as if you're new to the channel, you just stumbled upon my videos, why not subscribe? Now that I have so much Chicago footage for like 6 or 7 months, like I have a lot of great Chicago footage, and I just can't wait to show all of you guys. But yeah, you know, it's gonna be a great video. Thank you guys so much for showing so much love and the inspiring words from the last video. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me that you guys really find my videos really inspiring and entertaining, so thank you. But with all that being said, guys, let's go on and get into the POV, and yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy it. Thanks, bye.
Oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Oh, he was framed perfectly. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice, dude. Look at that. Get my frame. Get my frame. Let me get also the grass and focus. Oh, nice. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that in focus. Yeah. Woo. Oh my gosh, I'm like a kid in a playground right now, man. I just love this. I love shooting the elements. Oh, I need more. Oh, I missed that shot a little bit. Oh my god, my shutter is so high. Oh man, I'm having so much fun. Oh, it's coming down. Yeah, but I've been, if you guys noticed, I've been shooting landscape more lately. Like, it tells more of a story if you shoot landscape. It's just, I don't know why. This is, the photos are just more dynamic that way. Don't worry, my camera is fine. It performs better in the snow than it does in the rain, so. But just in case, I did bring a bag with me to cover it up. I am, however, meeting with another photographer, with Bryant. We did some shoot photography last week. I think it was raining a little bit, so he's joining the shoot today, and also I think another photographer later on the day. So most likely we'll be shooting all day today while it's snowing, so we're gonna take advantage of this. Oh, hold on. Let me get these two guys. Nice. Beautiful. Hold on, let me see its focus. Oh, it's in focus. I love it. That's a beautiful shot, man. That's a beautiful shot. I've been learning a lot from Bryant, other photographers here in Chicago. Almost said New York. But I've learned a lot from them. They're amazing people. Like, there's no judgment when it comes to like what level you are as a photographer. Whether you're a pro, amateur, or beginner, it doesn't matter. They're so open-minded, just having fun shooting. And that's what it's all about. I've not been down here yet. Got a runner.
Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of the video. Guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Once again, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It helps me a whole lot, and it allows me to create more videos like this for you guys. And as well as, I want you to hit that like button, not just hit it, but like just kind of beat it up, you know what I'm saying? So the YouTube algorithm can really spread my video out to everybody else, you know? But thank you guys so much for making it out for this long into the video. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all in the next snowy POV. Peace.